Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most important performance features in Tableau, creating an extract. If your dashboards are running slowly or if you need to work on your data offline, then creating a data extract is the solution you need. An extract is essentially a saved, compressed snapshot of your data that gets stored right on your computer. This makes everything incredibly fast because Tableau no longer has to send queries back to the original, live data source. Instead, it queries the superfast local file. Let's walk through exactly how to create one. First, you'll need to connect to your data. On the Start screen, connect to whatever data you are using. For this example, let's just use a simple Excel file. Once you're on the data source page, look to the top right corner. You will see two connection options, Live and Extract. A live connection queries your database directly, which can be slow with large datasets. We want to select the Extract Radio button. Once you click Extract, you'll notice a new link appears that says Edit. This is a crucial step for optimizing your extract. Clicking Edit opens a dialog box where you can configure your extract. Here, you can add filters to reduce the amount of data you're pulling in. For instance, if you only need to analyze data from the last 2 years, you can add a date filter. This makes your extract file smaller and even faster. Another powerful option here is aggregation. You can choose to aggregate data for visible dimensions. This essentially rolls up your data to a higher level, like summarizing daily sales into monthly sales, which significantly reduces the number of rows in your extract. You can also choose how many rows to bring in, either all rows or a sample top number of rows. After you've set up your filters and aggregation, click OK. Now, nothing happens immediately. Tableau will only create the extract file once you try to use the data. So, go ahead and click on a worksheet, like Sheet 1. At this point, Tableau will prompt you to save the extract file. Give it a name and choose a location on your computer. You'll see that it's saving as a .hyper file, which is Tableau's high-performance data engine format. After saving, you're now working with your lightning-fast extract. You can verify this by looking at the data pane on the left. Your data source will now have an icon with 2 cylinders and an arrow, indicating it is an active extract, instead of the single cylinder for a live connection. If you've already started building a dashboard with a live connection, don't worry. You can switch to an extract at any time by simply right-clicking on your data source in the data pane and selecting Extract Data. This will open the same configuration window we just looked at. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a Tableau extract. Thank you so much for watching. Using extracts is a fundamental skill for building efficient and responsive dashboards in Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and effective Tableau tutorials. Happy